Okay, yeah, see, and first on my channel, which is the Justice for You. So guys, once you go into YouTube, this is what you're going to search for, and this is how you'll find me. JUSTUSFRAZIER. Once you type that in, it should send you over to me.
So YouTube,
And it should be straight.
so
.com right now. Yep.
.com.
Go ahead.
Enter. There you go. Goes directly to it. And now we're gonna type in justice first.
Yeah. You're right.
And start there.
Mhm.
All right. So let's go ahead and type that in.
Yeah. And you guys, you go ahead and put your headphones, otherwise you're gonna have a lot of feedback because the broadcast and the receivers are in the same room.
Got it.
Feedback. Okay, guys, go ahead and plug in your headphones, and that'll cut the feedback.
Where is it?
Oh, go to the top. It should be live.
First, click on the channel. Click on the first one thing that you see.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, let's see. So
It
let's
is live.
scroll all the way up. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on that. Yeah, we're gonna click on the live.
Oh,
I has to go.
Okay, so let's scroll all the way up.
The very first one.
Yeah, click on the very first one. You'll see what we do. Oh, no, go back. Yeah, go back.
oh, okay, that's one of mine.
Yeah, click on the channel.
Yeah.
Then we click right there, live.
Okay. All right, class, can you hear me? Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. This is one of the ways that we teach our math. Basically, everything is with videos. And the great thing about this method that you're seeing right now is that when I actually teach the lesson, we can go back and click, and you guys can watch it at your own pace. You don't have to learn it all right then, because you can always go back and see the video and pause it and play it. Okay, so this works extremely well. So you don't have to get everything the first time in a classroom. If I was a teacher in a regular classroom, after I get through teaching it, that's it. You can't see it again. Here, you can see it as many times as you want to. I don't know how many times you guys want to see me, but you can see it as many times as you want to. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll show you a couple things. And I won't even tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you, and then you're just going to kind of discover how it works. Okay. So write some numbers here. 2, 4, 8, 6, 4. And let's put some more numbers here. 8, 8, 4, 0, 2, 6. Okay, let's start off with these numbers. Okay. All right. And on your papers, go ahead and write these down if you would.
Is that an S?
Which one?
Is that 8 to
Oh,
8?
8, 8, 4, 0, and 2, and 6.
Is that an 8?
Yep, those are 8s. I'll write them a little better. Now, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take these numbers that we have, and I'm going to divide them all by 2 and see what I get. So half of 8 is 4. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 0 is still 0. Half of 2 is 1. And half of 6 is 3. Okay. No issues, right? Okay. Let's do that again. See what happens. We got 24,864. So half of 2, 1. Half of 4, 2. Half of 8, 4. Half of 6, 3. Half of 4, 2. Okay. Okay. So again, I'm not going to explain what the trick is again, what's happening. I'm just going to show you because I think you guys will eventually figure it out. Okay. Now, I'm going to take these answers I just got and I'm going to put zeros behind them. And I'll finish. Yes.
Do you have to put these lines?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna put some more problems down here, so that's why I separated it. Okay. I'm gonna do this one more time. And then I'll kind of show you what I'm up to. Okay. 4, 0, 8. Um, 8, 4, 6. Okay. Once again, here we go. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 0 is still 0. Half of 8 is 4. Add a 0. Finish. What you got? Oh, you did this one already? Okay, what you got?
I got 4, 2, 3.
4, 2, 3. And let's go ahead and add a 0 to that.
I learned this.
Looks good. You got the same thing?
I learned this in school.
Oh,
I read.
okay. I like that. Now, let me put a line under here. Separate that. Okay, now. Okay. Now, this time, I just want you guys to watch. Just watch this. Half of 2 is 1. Add a 0. Half of 4 is 2. Add a 0. Half of 6 is 3. Add a 0. Half of 8 is 4. Add a 0. Now watch.
Six times 2. Where's missing?
Do you get what I just did?
Yeah.
Tell me what I just did.
Everything's just a multiple of
We
5.
use the multiplications. First you did number. You just put the numbers on there, and then you put the multiple. Then you just start
You just add a
multiplying.
0, and then you just times it by 5.
Not bad.
You start multiplying. You made it into. You made So you cut the things in half,
Mhm.
and then you added
You made it
10.
less difficult than it usually
and you
is.
added 10 to the thing.
Not bad, guys. Not bad. Yeah. Every one of yours is right. Keep going.
Well, I wasn't thinking. Was that? Did you write a 2? Was it a 2?
Well, let's think about this. In order to multiply by 5, you can take half of a number and multiply by 10. Think about it. I took half of a number and multiplied by 10, right? Half of a number and multiplied by 10. Well, what is the combination of a 1/2 and multiplying by 10?
5.
That's actually 5. So 5 can be turned into cutting a number in half and adding a 0 for 10. Yes.
Should this be out of paper?
I want you guys to try it. Put it on the paper. So I'm gonna give one to you guys. So all of these were ones I did, right? I want to give you one. And you can also use this on your friends to see who can multiply any number by 5 the fastest. You will win. Trust me. $8,406,622 multiplied by 5. $10,688,004 times 5. Multiply those numbers by 5.
So that's 4 1/2 is 2.
Mhm.
And 2 and 0 is 0.
Right?
8 is 4.
Yes.
8 4.
Yes.
6 to 1.
Right?
10 2
Exactly right.
6 5.
Everything's in right. That's what I want you to write down. And after you write that down, add a 0 to the end.
How? You write on the top or not? What
Right
so
about-
we have to like try to do times 5 all these
Say again?
numbers.
Well,
Yeah.
remember what we had to do?
If it
Well,
helps
it's gonna be,
separate
this is a whole number itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, so remember the steps that he showed you, divided it in 2, right? Then add a 0. So we have to do that for all of them.
So we could do so 8 5 8 groups of 8 5 groups of 8 1 8 40. And then 4 5 groups. That would be 30.
And your commas you do over one time because you start once you see it then. Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's 40.
And then yeah. So bring your commas over one time, but everything you have
That
is
would
right.
be-
Remember, you have to divide it by 2. We're gonna divide numbers by 2 first. Then
Which one?
Then we add.
Okay. So I know some of you are still working. I'm gonna go ahead and put down the answer, but remember when you watch the video, you can always pause it. So take a look. All right, multiply this by 5. So half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 0 is still 0. Half of 6 is 3. Half of this 6 is 3. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 2 is 1. Add a 0, and my answer is 42,033,110. If you have this, you're doing it right. Take a look at the next one. Half of 10 is 5. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 0 is still 0. Half of 0 is still 0. Half of 4 is 2. Add a 0 here, and we find that the answer is 53,440,020.
He wants to do it backwards. He wants to do it backwards. Same thing.
Well, yeah, but he can. Oh, let me get off camera. All right, guys. I'm in the broadcast right now, and I'm going to give a part 2, and that'll be it for this. Okay.